guys, and today we are making this origami bird. So let's see how to make it. The first step is folding the paper like this, triangularly in half, like a triangle is supposed to be. Then unfold, turn 90 degrees, and fold these corners right to that line there. And turn and fold again, the same. Then flip the paper over and fold this triangle back. Now again, flip over and fold these corners in. Like that. Then unfold these corners and fold like that. So again, sorry about that, guys. I didn't know what to do with that. Sorry. So do the same thing. So, like that. Then fold these up somewhere to the middle on both sides. That. So the paper has to look like this. Then fold up like that. So right to this, right here. So right up to here, right to there. So fold up and then down again. But don't really unfold, just fold it down. So you get like a zigzag there. So then you flip, then you fold in half. Fold in half, so, and make fold like this and do a reverse fold inside. And you'll get your origami bird ready. So bye, and I will see you in the next video.